So at Kudliks Dental, we wanted to start up a more of a holistic, biologically friendly dental practice because a lot of dentists, they're just tooth mechanics or gum mechanics. And that's not what we want. Well, as much as we can make a nice, beautiful smile for you, our job is to make you healthy. And it's not just to make your teeth healthy and your gums healthy, but realize that once your teeth and gums are healthy, it's going to help your entire body be healthy. Because the mouth is the avenue to the entire body, and a lot of people don't consider things that way, that they consider that the teeth and gums are completely different than the rest of their health. But we want someone to be overall healthy, and that's why we want to make sure that it's more of a holistic, a biologically friendly dental practice, where we're actually caring about all the different materials that we're putting in there, and making sure that we're caring about the person and everything else going on in their lives, all the different supplements and things that they're taking, because we want to make sure that you are comfortable so that you are going to feel healthy and comfortable once you are here and being taken care of.
I think that's what also sets us apart as a dental office, is that we have created a warm and comfortable environment. The setting is very homey, and on top of that, we have staff that really care about your health, really care about your well-being. So having that whole combination, it just makes coming to the dentist a much better thing. A lot of people are very afraid of going to the dentist, but we try to make this really comfortable environment and warm environment and friendly. And so when you do leave, we're trying to get you more uptone and feeling good. So when you walk out, you're like, oh, going to the dentist isn't that bad. It's actually good. You know, have a good positive experience with it. What's really, really important to us too is quality. So we've actually been creating and implementing new protocols of training for our staff to get everybody just excellent at what they do. So we want any associate dentists that we have that work with us, we want them to be just as good as us. So that you come to see any dentist here, that you're going to be very, very satisfied and have very high quality. Another thing that's super important to us is catching things early. So we have a lot of technology here. We have special cameras that help to detect decay very early so that we can avoid things like root canals. People don't like to have those. So we like to catch things early when they're small. We like to prevent things. So we like to give lots of education to our patients, teach you how not to get to decay, how not to have gum disease. So if we can avoid it entirely, that's definitely our goal. If we have this office to its absolute best and peak, I would love to duplicate it and make additional offices and help more and more people.
Exactly. Cindy, I know, would love to have lots of little biologically friendly dental practices all over the country where we're doing this and duplicating this everywhere, because we want to educate you on what you can do at home to stay healthy forever. Because that's our job, is once we get you healthy, we don't want you coming back in 6 months and us having to fix you again, because they say like an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, but a few minutes a day with some toothbrush and floss, that's going to keep the dentist away.
And you can't take us home in your pocket, but you can take us home in your head. Nice. And you can take responsibility for yourself after we've educated you. Having the knowledge gives you the control over your body.